Keeping the rat race in 2024, considering the economic situation. And this is what this video is all about: how you can make money in this current economic situation. I know a number of things has been happening around. There's been scarcity, especially if you are in Nigeria, and there have been high interest rates even in Nigeria and in foreign nation, in diaspora nation. Nigerians in diaspora are still clamoring on the same thing. Now, what can you do in this current economic situation if you must make money in 2024? Now, there are some key things that you cannot jeopardize, you cannot do without in 2024. You need to understand that you need to do what you need to have more than one income source. I know a number of people have had this before. You need to be very intentional about it. You have a job that is earning you salary. You need to begin to think about other things that can earn you money. Very important. Sometimes your salary might not be at an increasing effect on a monthly basis, but your expenses is increasing on a monthly basis. In fact, a number of people just have one income source and they have several expenses sources. You're earning money from the salary, and then you have several other expenses sources like transportation, feeding, giving, clothing, shelter, data, membership, health. So many things that is taking money out. Now look at your finances. Say, how am I making money? Count them. If your income source is just one, number two thing you need to do is to grow your income source. So begin to look at businesses you can do. And on this channel, I talk about businesses you can do that can help you make money with little capital. So at the end of this video, you want to consider hitting the subscribe button or clicking in the videos that I have and so for videos that will be of value to you. You need to begin to think about other businesses that you can do. Now, if you see any man that does not have money, there are two things involved. It's either they don't have a product or they don't know how to sell. Now, if you don't have a product, that is not an issue. The most important one that you must solve is selling. Ability to sell is very important. In 2024, you have to be able to sell. You need to expand your knowledge in the area of how to sell. One of the cheapest money comes from sales. A number of people are going to opt in for loans and a number of things from all this loan app, and then they can be chasing chasing you, sending details of you to your contact, and that can be very, very downgrading. But if you understand how to sell, you don't need to really think about the products. All you just need to do is to look at products around you. When I started business, I started as a marketer. I started selling for people. In fact, there was a company that wanted to order me. I told them, don't pay me, give me money in form of commission. The CEO was wise. Or let me say, he was not wise, because if he was wise, he would have allowed me to sell for him and earn commission, because I would be motivated by that. I knew what I could do. You get it? And that's why I didn't accept for salary. I said commission basis. If I'm selling this phone and it's selling for 200,000, I'm going to sell it for 250,000 naira or 220,000 naira. The 20k on it is mine. If I'm selling this PC and it's selling for $1 million, I'm going to sell it for 1.1, and that 100,000 naira is mine. So this would motivate me to sell. But he wanted to give me a cap salary, like 100,000, whatever you sell. And you see, for people who don't know how to sell, that's what they want. Whenever I tell people there's an opening for you as a marketer, they say, no, I don't want to market. I just want to be in a job position where I'll just do the same work every day. But do you know that marketers and salespeople make a lot of money? So how can you understand how you can sell? Very simple. Expand your knowledge on buyer psychology. I read a book by Brian Tracy, Becoming the Greatest Sales Superstar. Helped me to understand how buyers think. And also read a book on how to sell to Nigerians. It helped me understand how buyers think. I can take a product and say, I want to sell to 10 people. I want to call 10 people. That is how you can make money. You have a product at your disposal and you say, I have the list of these 10 people that I want to close the sales on. If you try out your selling skill, you might be able to close 3 of the sales or 3 people out of 10. That is a good deal. In fact, selling is like a game to me. I say, okay, I have 20 people. I'm going to market this thing to 20 people and let's see how it goes. And the truth is that you are offering value to them in form of whatever you are selling. So it is very important you know how to sell. So what can you sell? Whatever. You can actually sell electronics, you can actually sell fashion items, you can actually sell landed properties. Anything that you can sell, that you can build relationship with the buyers, with the sellers, you collect it from them and then you sell for commission. You are in it to make a lot of money. I was doing a live section, real estate live section, and I give people opportunity to learn how to sell by keying into a particular product, and they are on the way to earning millions. I cannot overemphasize, and you cannot underestimate the power of understanding how to sell. It might not be a physical product, it might be a digital product, it might be selling your capacity, selling who you are, what you can do. You might go for a job offer and you need to sell yourself to the people to employ you. Now, I just got in a new staff, and then without a normal interview process, she was able to sell herself to me, sell her expertise to me. And that is all we do everywhere in the world. Someone is selling something to you. I'm selling something to you right now. I'm giving you value, and in return you're giving me your time. It's a level of sales. It's trade by barter, value for value. You're giving me your time, you're giving me your data, and you're giving me your attention for what I am offering you. So one way or the other, I'm selling something to you. You need to begin to think of, what can I sell? If you have a good skills, you can sell your skills. And that moves me to the third thing that I'll be talking about. In this 2024, you cannot play with understanding digital skills, because the industry age has gone. Doing business with only the people you see will limit your ability to make money. There are people who have businesses and they have shops. The shops are facing a particular main road, and then people are walking into the shops. Do you know that you can actually make money if you are online? Whatever your service is, that thing, people are waiting that are not in your location, that are ready to buy it. People are waiting. That skill you have, that knowledge you have, if you had a strong digital skills, you can convert it to money. So what are those digital skills? Digital marketing is part of them. Code calling is part of them. Copywriting is part of them. Very, very important skills that can help you make money, that can help you make your money making process faster. So you have products that you are selling in a particular physical store and it's not selling well. You put it into online and running an advert on it can really do well. You understand? Some days ago I ran adverts on a particular product that I was selling and I made sales. All this boils down to sales. All this, but because for any money to come to you, and there had been a transaction, and that's why the people those that are working, an entrepreneur, working an organization, has made sales. He or she offers their time, their expertise, their knowledge to the organization in exchange for money. So there is always a sales. So you cannot but think of how to sell. No, one of the greatest things you can do for yourself now is to begin to think on how to sell. Improve your selling skills and you make money. That's the cap of it all. Improve your selling skills. Improve your knowledge. Read books. Listen to audio books. Watch videos just like you're watching. And then expand your understanding. Increase your selling skills. And definitely, you will make money right now. Another thing you can do is to upgrade yourself in your organization. For those working in an organization, there's what they call entrepreneur. You are not an entrepreneur, like you are not the CEO, but you are like holding a management position in your organization. Do you know that if you offer more value and then you are very valuable to the company, you can request for an increase in pay? You will be bold because you know the service you're offering the company. Like for me, running my organization, if any of my staff come to me and say, financial Paul, I need a raise in my salary, I'll say, oh, interesting. Tell me what you've been doing that would justify the raise in your salary. And then if I see that this person has delivered more value, then he can do what? Definitely, because value is important in organization. So one of the things you can do if you are working in an organization, increase your value, be very valuable. When they say you should hit a target of 10, try to get it to 15. When they give you a target of 20, they give yourself a target of 30. And then constantly the executives or the or the people over you in the organization hierarchy will begin to notice and then place more value on you, and this can cause recommendation, it can cause increase in your pay, it can cause a number of things that will add value to you. So in 2024, you just need to understand these little tips in order for you to make money. I'm financial premier of Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria. I talk on business, investment. I want you to subscribe this on this YouTube channel and join the money making family. Till I come your way again, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.